Yeah, Hindi tutor class. We are going to teach the people who are living outside India. And many of people are very much interested to learn Hindi. Hindi is a language, it's a very unique language and everybody wants to speak Hindi. But the problem is they are not having the right person to teach them, or they are not getting connected with the right platform. So we are here to teach Hindi, those people who wants to learn Hindi, and we are going to teach them with a very simple process or in a simple way. We are starting our Hindi learning with spoken language. Once you'll get freeness to speak Hindi, you will not having a hedge to speak Hindi. That is our motive. Our objective is to make people to speak Hindi. They should be prepared for speaking Hindi. And once they get ready, we will give them everything to speak very simple Hindi and in very simple way. In our class, we are not specifying anything like age group or class. No, we are teaching everyone. Those who are interested to learn Hindi, we are ready to teach them. No age bar would be there. It is very clear. No age bar would be there. We are not classifying people in age group. Everybody who is interested can come and attend the class. There is no option. Yes, you can learn or you cannot learn. No, not at all. We are going to teach each and every person who all are interested. Hindi is a unique language, and if you want to learn, we are ready to teach you and you can learn very easily. When we talk about the content of our course, first I am trying to teach you about the spoken language. The first it comes, yes, because you know when you are starting Hindi is a very difficult language, as people say, to speak. And yes, you are beginner, you are just starting, so you have to be cautious how you will go on. So in my view, I want first you should start with spoken Hindi. For that, I'll support you, I'll give you the content, like, yes, first the meaning of every word, what you speak in English. English to Hindi. I am giving you English to Hindi content. First, we will translate your words in Hindi, and proper uttering is most important thing. I will teach you how to translate your English words or English sentences into Hindi. You regularly use words, oh my God, oh yes, oh no, oh no yaar, this is not done. So like these words we'll use to teach you. Means those words or sentences are being used in our daily conversation. Those words we will start in Hindi. Simple sentences, simple words, and once you step in to learn this language, then gradually you will be confident, you will increase your confidence, and as you increase your confidence, then there will be no obstacles for you and nobody can stop you to learn Hindi. Yes, after getting introduced with the Hindi language, as you start speaking Hindi, in the beginning you cannot speak like what I speak. और भाई क्या हाल चाल है, कैसे हैं आप? You cannot talk like this. But gradually when you will do practice, after practicing, you will be able to speak gradually good Hindi. And as you start speaking Hindi, then we will go and we'll step up to the specified Hindi course. That is, starts from alphabets, counting, everything, formation of sentences, word meaning, genders, part of speech, all the parts of English grammar is same as English grammar, it's the Hindi grammar, all are same. But it will be explained you in very simple manner so that you will be able to understand and you can start learning a good Hindi, and even you can start writing also. We will give you a practice, we will conduct all the process by which you can learn good Hindi. Okay? Of course, when one who is determined to learn something, there is no difficulty for him. The person is totally determined to learn Hindi, and when we are there with him, so definitely they can speak Hindi. It's not a difficult task for anyone. If you are ready, if you are courageous to learn Hindi, then we are there to teach you everything. And I am quite sure the person who is interested or having will definitely can speak Hindi, and I am sure you can speak Hindi very well. There is no difficulty. But it needs your courage. If you are courageous, you are coming with the will, definitely you are getting everything, and after few days you will realize that you can speak Hindi normally as Indian people speaks. So there should be no doubt about it. This is my motive actually. I want whom I am teaching, those who are even not aware about Hindi, but they are ready to learn Hindi. So it is my motive or my inner courage that I should teach them Hindi, and they can speak Hindi without any hitch, without any break or obstacle, or they should getting less interested in Hindi. No. First, your interest will be increased, and then power of your vocabulary, whichever the language you learn, it needs a strong vocabulary and uttering and correct spellings or correct speaking. If you are not correct uttering, nobody will understand what are you saying, right? So I am 100% sure those who are regular in the class, they will be able to speak Hindi like an Indian person. It's my guarantee to you. So don't worry about it. It's my duty to teach you good Hindi, and you will become a good Hindi speaking person. Right? God bless you.